Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
I'm telling you, say me have top flight security when we go to Jamaica. You come like me, I forgot to take a picture and post
So
it.
you go on.
No, me
No,
don't.
me I talk about cause them I say my front everywhere. The man say him see my front, in my ear about my front everywhere. Him there Trinidad. Me say on that ear over there so too.
Yeah. They're
Yes.
talking about it. They're talking about it here on. Some people are talking about that here in Trinidad.
You saw
Momo.
my front heavy? Yeah?
This, yeah.
Momo.
Yeah?
Look
Yeah?
how
Until
Momo
you say,
fight.
much of people
Do this
book here.
segment is called Welcome to Trinidad. Me I had with Trinidadian friend them.
Bomba clot!
Yeah.
Bomba clot!
You know,
Davey!
remember we international.
Davey!
Yeah, tell me.
Get her!
Yeah.
Momo.
Momo man say
Yeah?
everything
Momo.
look in Jamaica,
Yeah?
right? But
Momo.
we showing him that
You can't hear
even
me,
though
Dewey?
You
he
not hear
said
me?
even though he touched down
Yeah,
in
me can't
Trinidad,
hear you.
right? Everything's governed still because nobody can violate the dog now, boy.
Yeah,
So
don't
I showing
disrespect,
him,
don't violate. Yeah.
I showing him, I
Oh, you
showing him we
mean
have
chick
big
black
thing.
now, man? I
I
want to
showing him
hear
we
it.
have
It
big
chip up.
thing.
Watch it!
Jeff,
And we
man, I
have
make them
small
cut
Trinidad
off
and
the
thing.
light. Man, I
Jamaica
make them
link
cut off
up.
the light.
Yeah, that's how I said.
Uh,
And Davey,
mm-hmm.
and then thing
You
to
know,
go. Yeah, that's
listen,
how I
no,
said.
you can't do that over here. So
All
too,
right, all
you're a
right, all
public
right, all
figure
right,
in
all right.
Trinidad. You
Man, I
can't
make
do
them
it over
cut off
All
the
here.
right,
light.
all
The
right,
thing
Them
all
chip
go
right,
up,
lock
man.
me
Chip
up.
up. There.
all right, all right,
Bomba
all right.
Yeah?
clot! Big guns, big
David,
rifle. That's what we
David
Big
talking
drinking
guns, big
already?
rifles.
Yes, me boys.
You
That is
already
it.
drinking, bro?
Yeah, I drinking since about 2 o'clock. What you
Yo,
see,
fuck
okay?
it. Me and
What
Dewey
you
coming
saying,
to
man, is
Carnival.
fam?
What's
Me
that?
and Dewey coming to Carnival in February, bro. We going to Carnival.
Let we go, we
Well, it's
going.
that say no more. Once you let
Yeah.
down here, and it's
I'm
government,
Telling the
everything
same.
government.
flying down,
Trini have a new place.
Fuck that. I'm flying down for that. Fuck that.
Everything governed.
How y'all taught? What y'all taught me the other day? I fuck up. That's what you say. Oh, you say.
Wait is.
What? Why you not spin? What you tell me? What y'all taught me the other day? Oh, you said I fuck up.
Oh, fuck up thing. You on fuck up thing.
Don't fuck up thing.
Remember, say me apart Trini now. You know.
It's cool. It's
Now,
fucking
from
cool,
now
man.
on, you're
I
part
we
Trini.
say when them ugly man
Yeah,
who par with them, man. You don't know. Fuck there.
yeah. My TNT now. Me apart Trini because from my part with other me a Trini now.
Half Trini, half Jamaican. Say no more.
Yeah,
It's
half
locked.
and half. What happened, David?
Wait. One more,
Where ya?
what going on
I
over there?
want
Where
to tell you
What going
say
on?
that
it's
it dopey them over here, man. Whole heap of dopey over
hey,
here.
them I will not blood clot look.
We look where.
David don't read.
Oh no,
We
which
will
part
block
you look?
you.
Don't read what? Don't read the comments? That what you
Yeah, you
saying, Dave?
don't read you don't read comments when that makes sense.
Davey,
Yeah, tell
What,
me.
bro?
some
No,
girl
so
looking
tell him
like
leave
a
my
money
stuff
could this
long.
in Momo.
Oh, looking like a what?
A money
Like a
cool.
mannequin?
Jesus Christ! You know what?
Which is?
Everybody can
The
talk
thing
them
looking
mind. We
like a
just laugh
fucking
off it.
baby iguana. Ever see the face?
What's
Jesus
your name on the gram?
Christ.
What's your name on the gram?
Momo, where's the girl name on Instagram?
I don't know the lady name.
Me fi tell you, we don't know that side of the world there, you know.
I don't know
Take
those
that
people.
dump up.
I don't
Tell,
I don't
tell,
I don't know those people.
tell me she name there. Tell me she
Yeah,
Yeah,
name
them
there.
yo,
all
the
that.
I go,
Trinidadian
I
bun,
go
you
back.
know. They're gonna
What's in the
know,
comments?
you know.
Davey, what's in the comments?
Money too. So what is a money too? Show me what is
Manitou?
a money too by your
A
phone.
manico is a
Oh, a
fucking
Manitou.
possum.
Oh, a Manitou is a baby rat. It's a rat.
Yes, me.
Shut jeez, you know what? Google it so when we come at
Look,
Trinidad.
look at
Google it so
Manitou
when we
here.
come at Trinidad, me
Look,
know for
look,
run
look, look,
from
look,
me.
look. Look at Manitou here. Look at Manitou here. That's that fucking
Me
Manitou.
okay. Oh, we call them the
Bumbo.
foreign.
Bumbo rascal. Bumbo
We call it
clot. Oh, God.
we call them possible foreign.
What's that?
Hey, Yada, what the fuck is this I see here,
You know
man?
something that You know, say for have them a run road, but not come at Trinidad if them there run road like that. That me I tell you
Go back
no.
to your wife. You just say, now you're cute here. Thanks, lover. Thank you. Follow me up now, man. If all your green card, follow me up. As a American citizen. Follow me up.
What kind
Fuck
of
that.
Yeah, but
madness is this, right?
yeah, but say that.
Follow
Hey,
me up.
on what that's wild meat? You see, you test you appear trouble you get to, you know. That shit is funny as fuck, bro.
What kind of what kind of fish thing is that going on there? Queen Lady Gangs. Hey, you know they really started following me by
Serious?
They were gonna cuss out your blood clot, damn me. I tell you, leave the people. But tell you, leave the people them alone. But invite me Trinidad friend them over
Davey,
here.
I want to number.
And you have to leave the people them alone.
Davey, the what
You
number?
leave the people them alone.
But about 5 fucking number right now. Yeah, but here this. Who's the girl? Who's the girl? I want to know what's the girl profile. I want to find the
Tell us
profile.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Look, somebody say
Momo a lie,
Momo,
you tell.
Momo ugly bad so
I
easy.
don't know. You see, with me,
Stand
I
for
talk
sure.
one time and I'm done. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know who you're talking about. I
So
don't
what's
know
your
what
so
you're talking about.
Momo, this your husband here. This your husband in
Yeah,
Trinidad here.
that she man. She and her man dating.
Dating, we're
Okay.
dating.
We're
So
dating. And it's
We're
a really
dating.
well.
the woman and the vex that you take him, that was going on. The vex with you.
Who? No, him taking. Him taking, I guess. But
Yeah, but
I don't
all
know.
these ladies inside here look like he have them too, man. He locking them girls, man.
That's why we're dating. Some can't date with anybody we want to date with.
Okay. Oh, so you don't mind if he date with anybody else?
No, we're dating. You
Well,
know what? You know when you dating, you can't date who you want to date.
that is woman. That is
Okay.
woman.
Well,
That's what we're talking about.
she's a big woman.
Remember, you have to date first and then you get in a relationship if you want to get in a relationship.
You gotta teach them Trinidad girls and them that these Trinidad girls and them is fucking knucklehead.
You know what? I learned that from the Americans. Caribbean people are not taught today.
Yeah.
Nah. We don't know about that.
Yeah.
What's up, Johnny Bravo?
Bravo, what's the word? Bring Bravo on your life.
Oh, bravo.
Bring Bravo on your life, man. I know going man.
With Uno, I don't make my guy in my bed early. Me don't know what kind of rum Uno give me for drink. But yeah, I want to rum with that drink.
I want to date Davey. I had to date me and my fucking wife, you know. Up to you, man.
We did that drink rum.
I only have champagne, man.
But drink thing, I rush your fucking mouth.
I only have champagne, dog. I can't
drink thing, let me go. What up?
Nah.
Supposed to go by the car wash, but look, I on pause right now. Because the life looking a little feisty, you know, the life looking festive, so on pause. Tell me something.
Alright. Look, I guess.
Do you that on the live, you know that?
Yeah, but some
You know that, man. Connect.
that kind of, you know what I mean?
I miss a connection, you know.
Listen, Wilson, don't come over here with your badness, okay?
What's he talking
No.
about?
Never.
560?
Never.
This is a non-violent live.
It's love.
If you tell her love and love. You know.
Love and love only.
Yeah,
but if a boy
violate.
violate.
My part with them,
Them violate.
the other day, I forgot my bed early.
This boring. Well, go in your fucking bed.
That's all you gotta do.
Go in your bed. You're watching me. Go in your fucking bed. You are nothing else to do about this boring. Go in your fucking bed. Go and sleep.
Dating a married man. So I'm telling you, she dating a married fucking man.
Look at you.
Wilson be married to. That's your friend.
Crime night.
Let me ask Davey. I don't know how to do that. You two married people can't cheat.
Nothing wrong with that. That's a normal thing. In 20.
Gabi.
That is a normal
Hey, Andrew. Hey, two married people can't cheat.
That's a normal thing.
Somebody said Momo man turning in the grave. What kind of cowl?
But tell you, say, when you come in my house to watch me, you know, me not pay them the money, you know, this are the highlight of them there for type. Typing is
Pussy,
free.
pussy is
Typing is free. Me
pussy
know
is
me
the
would have
fuck,
never go
man.
watch them do.
Pussy is the fuck, what I'm telling you. Nobody don't no pussy, and I hope all you know that.
But what's saying is now, what's the problem
Can
if
you notice
Momo
that
fucking
them
a
come over
married
there
man?
type of people name, nobody not call nobody name over here. Right
Nobody
now,
don't no
me
pussy.
bring Trinidad over here, so we're over here as Trinidad now. What them I do over here?
What's saying is, what is the problem
So
if Momo
badness gone at
fucking a
Trinidad, the
married man?
blind. 3-piece connect right over Trini there.
So now this whole comment section hate you or Momo. That's what's going on there.
The sick, like Queenie, some girl named Queenie is like,
And
Momo
Queenie,
want some girl named Queenie.
so what now? So them hate you, but them inside here watching fucking you. That ain't making no
I
sense.
me tell you that,
I'm
the
almost
weirdest
stand up
thing
in
me ever seen in my
If
life.
all the vex come off the fucking live, what the
The
mother can
weirdest thing me ever seen in my life. I never grow up to sit down and nobody pay.
I hate fucking people, but I hate people.
Right now, me so at the Trinidad girl them for deal with their blood clot. But come all the way at Trinidad.
deal with
Come
them.
on. Huh?
This them girl deal with him.
You know, say me come all the way at Trinidad.
Nah, Trini girls don't play with that. Trini girls war in your
Play that,
thread.
them play that.
My Trini girl soft, boy.
No,
I'm
me
telling you,
no, me no want
Go.
do it no the Trinidadian girl. The Trinidad girl them want them waist too bomber clad fast. See me
my
and them not
Trini
get
girl
tired.
soft,
Tell you.
boy. But I love Trini girls, but Trini girl soft.
Yeah, me not really, yeah.
The
Well,
soft.
on calm down.
A Jamaican girl will kill your mother, cunt. For sure.
Serious?
What? Boy, the aggressive bad, boy.
Hear you, Davey. Watch him, hear
Aggressive.
you.
The aggressive. Jamaican woman aggressive, boy. Trini woman, them taking whatever they could fucking get, but I still love them anyway.
Hear that?
Facts. Trini
Hear that
people
Trinidad
denying you.
girls fuck the best.
All I can say only fuck all they want.
The fuck light in there now. Bumbuckler.
Trini girls
I
fuck the
mean no say
best.
Trini pussy,
say
best
them not
pussy.
get tired. Cause one time me go a party and when the soccer they play, them not get tired.
How they got
You
Jamaican woman
see David the other day
to the
what we did
cycle.
talk about? Dewey might want to come down now. But you remember the other day you said the
What them say?
Jamaican man them now in front? You
What
might
them
want to
say?
come down.
Boy,
Well,
miss.
cause
Hey.
them at Trinidad said that why the Jamaican man them hide and in front. Me I tell him say the first thing when Jamaican woman and a man catch up, even if the man don't eat front, them try disgrace them and use
Boy,
that
hey,
narrative.
we Nyam in front, boy.
Momo
We
another
Nyam in
line there
front.
alone now. Another line there alone.
We Nyam in
Hey,
front, boy.
everything. But
Another line there
David
alone them I
outside
use
to him
again,
is
you
a
know.
wild one.
We
You
Them I
Nyam
know?
in
use all
front.
type of line, you
Tell
know,
you,
cause
man.
the line they outdated and
They say,
antiquated.
do we eating it with ice? What?
But you had a suck
No,
pussy, boy. We
I,
ain't tell him
I,
about. You
that
have to
them
suck
try
pussy.
use, he doesn't do it, so that they try to use to disgrace them. You see
Yeah,
when
well,
the
that's a
man,
problem.
them want to argue with the Jamaican man, that's what them use.
No, well, that's a problem. That is a problem. Because if you don't suck the pussy, a next man will suck the pussy. I hope you know that.
Yeah,
You don't suck the pussy, and next man like me will suck the pussy. I hope you know that. Me
David,
have
me
the
a
front
block you.
and the back.
What
What
get
mean?
I
that?
know what you're talking about there, brother. I lost me there
What
in the
David,
mean?
fucking back part. You see the back?
Oh
Nah,
God.
David,
the front. Not the back.
I don't care. What you mean?
Nah, Davey. Slow
If your
down.
woman, bye.
Slow down on the punches. Slow down on the punches.
If your woman come and tell you she what she bottom eat, what you gonna do? You ain't gonna fucking do it.
That's why we dated. That's
Oh
why
God,
we
let me be
dated.
real now, boy. Let me be
That is
real
why
now, boy.
we dated, bro.
Oh God. All of
No,
them be
no,
acting
no,
like
no, no.
this such a
oh,
bad
so
thing, man.
Wilson, you burn it out.
Eh?
So you burn it out.
I ain't eating no ass. I ain't eating no ass.
Oh, but tell them
Wilson.
crutches.
Oh
I
God,
eating
Wilson.
pussy.
Oh
No
God,
ass.
Wilson. Oh God.
Okay.
Don't put me on that. Wilson, you're eating
Yeah,
bottom, boy.
David,
I'm telling you,
remember, so
boy.
when I bring David to rehab, him a guy rehab.
If you eat it, you eat it. What the fuck? Nothing wrong with that. It's a woman you're doing, man. What the fuck?
Alright, David.
Exactly.
But what the mother can, man? Hey.
Yeah, you can. They can. Yeah. Just 4 of us need to go.
Somebody say front and back nyamming. I like that.
No, me don't know about that part there.